Okay, so today's video, money myths. Rich people are greedy. Today's agenda. Is it true? The facts. The problem. What next? So is it true? No, it's untrue. Whilst you may see people who are rich and wealthy who express outward signs of being greedy, like owning expensive homes, cars, clothes, jewelry, and more, you don't always see the things they do behind the scenes. Charitable donations, philanthropy, sharing with their family and friends, and so on. There's lots of things they do behind the scenes, and it's not always public. The facts. Did you know, according to CEO Today magazine, Bill Gates and his wife pledged to donate 95% of their wealth, and by 2018 had donated over 36 billion through their foundation. Warren Buffett donated 4.1 billion in June 2021 and has also pledged to give away most of his wealth, starting the giving pledge to encourage more of the rich and wealthy to follow suit. So as you can see, just by the facts, just by those two people alone, they are giving. They're not greedy necessarily. They are giving. In some cases, more of their wealth is being given than actually being spent for themselves. You're rich when you give away most of your money and you're still on the Forbes list. The problem here, a lot of people say rich people are greedy, but most of the time it's out of jealousy. It's a way of shaming the people who achieve their financial dreams. And sometimes you'll find that the people that are saying these comments are the people that haven't pursued or failed at achieving their financial dreams. So now they see others and they get jealous. What next? So what's the solution? How do we turn this all around? 1. Don't hold any form of jealousy or resentment towards rich people. Remove that from yourself. 2. Understand that you can also achieve what they have achieved financially. You can achieve the same levels of wealth and success that they've achieved if you believe and you pursue it and you work hard towards it. Begin implementing all the necessary steps towards achieving your own financial dreams. Set goals for yourself, financial dreams, financial aspirations, financial objectives that are big so that you can also become rich and wealthy too, and you start working towards it from now. You'll thank yourself later for all those sacrifices you made. So the action items for today. 1. I want you to practice gratitude. Be grateful for your current wealth, regardless of how much you currently have. If you're not a millionaire now, it's not a problem. If you haven't got 100,000 now, 6 figures now, it's not a problem. Where you are right now, be grateful for what you've got. You've got a job, you've got a business, regardless of how much it's making, you've got it. Be grateful because it could have been worse. 2. Set the financial goal to become a millionaire in your lifetime. 3. Begin saving each month towards that goal from now. I don't care if that's £100, £10, £1, just work towards that goal from now, because what we can do is we can start off putting small amounts, but as time goes on, that can escalate. But I want you to start believing. That's the main thing. Set the goal, start believing that you can do it. You can become a millionaire. You can become rich and wealthy yourself. And that will remove that jealousy and resentment that you may or may not have. And as usual, like, subscribe and share. Leave a comment below and I'll give you my 2 cents.